And hello, class, and welcome everybody to our cost control course as we officially are going to wrap up the fall 2021 semester. This is the final week of the course. So I want to just congratulate all the students who have continued to show effort throughout the course of the semester and those that have finished strong and endured. It was a pleasure being your instructor for this course. We know that online, of course, is a little different from face to face being on campus. However, though, I have been overall rather satisfied with the feedback and the output that many of you all have given throughout this course. There's a lot of distractions when it comes to distance and virtual learning. And I can say that most of you all have endured. And even those that have reached out to me, sent emails regarding questions, and then a few that I spoke to over the phone. Thank you. Thank you for being good students. Thank you for being good scholars. So, not to just go on with the chitter chatter here, let me move forward and let me explain how the final week here is going to go. So, this is what we're going to be doing. First thing is first, you're going to submit your final paper. Now, you're looking at my view as an instructor of D2L. Do not get confused by this. As you can see here, this is where I want you to upload your final papers class, the final paper submission. Through the course of the semester, as you wrote your sections of the paper, you should have been saving those sections. And then some of you all, as I've been reading the sections when you've handed them in, you've actually been compiling. Like, for example, you've been putting section 1, 2, and 3 together. And that's a good approach to keeping or staying consistent within this assignment. So, on your end, what you're going to do is you are going to upload your final paper through this Dropbox here. It's going to be titled Final Paper Submission. Now, in terms of what you're going to be doing, is you're going to be doing the conclusion. So, section 4, this is where everybody should be at right now. You're just going to summarize all sections of your paper and you're going to give your reflection on what the outcome of the restaurant would be. And so that's going to be due on February the 5th. That would be February the 5th, Sunday midnight. All right, that's the deadline, class, okay? No extensions with that. February 5th. Now, we know that the semester is going to be ending on Tuesday, December the 7th. And I do apologize, not February the 5th. I don't know why I have February in my mind. There may be something significant going on there. So please forgive me for that. December the 5th is going to be the due date, as you see here, December the 5th. That will be Sunday midnight going into Monday morning, December the 6th. You are going to submit your final paper. So, some things to keep in mind. Number one, do your spell check, class. Number two, make sure that your writing is in APA format. And we know what APA format is. You should be using the 12 times New Roman font. Make sure that you're double spacing. Keep that in mind. And then appropriately, like I just mentioned, cite your references per APA. That's references that you may use out of the textbook or also other resources that you have used regarding online search and references that you may include, quotes within the paper. So keep that in mind. Cite your references. Make sure that your writing is APA format style. Okay, so that's going to be due. That will be next Sunday, December the 5th. I keep on repeating this, okay? At midnight, going into Monday morning, December the 6th. Okay? And so, the discussion question, what I want everyone to do, I gave you one final one. Now, it's based on our final chapter, chapter 15. So, what I want you to do is the question that I came up with. I want you to give me a reflective response within this question. A reflective response, give me at least one paragraph. We know that one paragraph is 3 to 4 sentences. Okay. If it happens to be longer, that's fine. That's okay. Have this done by next Sunday. Okay. That would be December the 5th, midnight, going into Monday, December the 6th. And of course, I will have in the news feed the due dates for your final assignments. So you'll be able to see it within the news feed. And then, of course, I'm talking about it here within the video. And of course, it's imperative for everybody to look at the instructional video first. There's also one final quiz. Quiz 4. Now, the quiz is adapted, and I put this together based on chapters 11 through 14. That's what your final quiz is going to be, Quiz 4. Now, that's going to be due Sunday as well, December the 5th at midnight, going into Monday, December the 6th. So, all assignments, the final quiz, the discussion question, as well as your final paper submission will all be due next Sunday at midnight. So you have the entire week to work on everything. If you have any questions, okay, this is my preference, you all. Please do not wait until like towards the end of the week, okay? If it's something that's going to be pending towards your overall and final grade, do not do that. If you have any questions or any concerns, I would prefer for you all to reach out towards the beginning of the week. Hopefully, everybody is going to be looking and reviewing this video by tomorrow, which is Monday. And you will, if you have any concerns, by Tuesday, no later than Wednesday, I want to hear from everyone. Okay, so by the middle of the week, make that a priority. If there's something that you don't understand, to reach out to me. And then we could just have a phone conference or we can converse and correspond by email. Again, everybody, it's been a pleasure being your instructor for this course. The one thing that we did not get the chance and the opportunity to do, I wanted to do a Zoom conference with everyone, but by being here in Wisconsin, and then mostly everyone is either in Pennsylvania or the surrounding areas, it was a little difficult and challenging to put together a Zoom conference where I know that everyone would have been available, and that could have been like our one-on-one interaction per Zoom. I think we did well though, and again, congratulations to everybody who has successfully completed the course. And if you have any questions, most definitely, again, free to reach out to me. Reach out to me, please, by email, or you can give me a call. As my hours of availability, I've always expressed them. They're going to be from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving again, and blessings throughout the course of the week. And I will be talking to you real soon. Well, following up really with assignments and grades. Once again, it's been a pleasure. This is Professor Javier Black, officially signing off. Take care.